Take a look for Episode 5, Eating Right. Vocabulary. Look, listen, and repeat. Fridge. A carton of milk. A bowl of yogurt. Butter. Pasta. Cheese. Omelette. Mediterranean diet. Grains. Olives. Olive oil. Nuts. Meal. Healthy. Let's chat.
Mum, what's for dinner?
Sorry, no dinner. But you can make an omelette with Anna.
Great.
Omelette? Yes, I want an omelette. Yummy. Let's do it. Okay, we need some butter, some eggs, some cheese, and some milk.
Let's see. There are some eggs, and there's some butter too. But there isn't any cheese. Oh, here it is.
How many eggs have we got?
10.
What about milk? Have we got any milk?
Yes, there is a carton of milk in the fridge.
Okay, we need a bowl.
Anna, I've got an idea.
Really? What?
Well...
Later.
Mum, Dad, come here, please. Surprise!
Oh, wow! An omelette! My favourite!
Thank you, kids.
The Mediterranean diet. What do you know about the Mediterranean diet? This is the Mediterranean area. People in countries around the Mediterranean Sea have a different diet from people in the rest of the world. They eat lots of fruit and vegetables, grains, beans, bread, rice, and pasta. There is some meat in their diet, and there is a lot of fish, as well as olive oil and nuts. People usually have 3 meals a day. What do the people of the Mediterranean eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Let's take a look. Breakfast. In the Mediterranean diet, you can start the day with a bowl of yogurt, some fruit, and some nuts. Lunch. A healthy salad, anyone? There are lots of different vegetables. And there's some cheese too. There are also some olives and some olive oil. Delicious. Dinner. fish with lemon and vegetables. It looks so tasty. But why is the Mediterranean diet so popular? Because it's very healthy. Is your diet healthy? How many meals do you eat every day?